Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, you're wondering what happened. Yeah, I'm wondering what happened too. I'm missing a little fuzz underneath my nose there. Yeah, I shaved off the beard for to start the new year on 2021, and I'm excited to share with you some of the new projects that I'm working on from my comic book, from my cartoon series, as well as new videos on teaching you how to draw great cartoons. All right, so if you like to draw cute, fun little surfboarders or maybe snowboarders, in this case, going down the snow, I think you're going to love this lesson. And as always, I say, make sure you have some paper and a pencil, and I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, as I mentioned in the very beginning of my little video, that I have many projects that I'm currently working on. So as the end of this month is coming, you're going to be surprised to see my original first series Friendfish comic book coming out and that you can actually download or purchase for your very own. So I'm very excited. When that gets closer and closer, you're actually going to see a video that I'm going to be presenting to you guys. So anyway, so I want to say a big thanks for checking out this video. And make sure you check out some of my other ones as well, too, if you haven't. Anyway, so thanks and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.